The initial effects of climate change are always expressed through the water. India is one country which is going through extremely tough times.
Hi, I'm Prakhar. I'm Managing Director of Concord Enviro. Born into a business family, and I have a little bit of entrepreneurial spirit I always had in this, so I wanted always to do something of my own. If we are doing an industrial wastewater reuse project, the impact of that project is not only to the local community around that one facility, but in terms of the pollution that it reduces going to the river, which might be flowing another 800 kilometers downstream. It could be impacting millions of lives there, right? And I think that is really the greater purpose, and which gives us a deep sense of impact.
Water crisis is real, and it's happening at a pace sooner than we can Google it. The growing industrial sector in India calls for one of the most vital components of the worldwide manufacturing industry and one of the most important elements in industrial production: water recycling and treatment.
I think the industry at large understands what zero liquid discharge is. It also understands that we need to today be committed to zero liquid discharge. And where we as Concord want to work with the industry is partnering them and actually making it happen. One of the biggest impediments today to zero liquid discharge is the cost of energy that zero liquid discharge consumes.
We have this concept of containerized units. It's 100% electro-pneumatically automated system. Everything happens on its own. It runs, it rinses. It's a shipper-owned container which has all seaworthy certifications. If we have to move it to any part of the globe, we can put it on. It can go on any ship. It's certified.
We are the largest zero liquid discharge solutions provider. We are the second largest industrial water recycle and reuse systems in India. We have 380 plus active customers across 18 countries. We have 2000 plus active installations across 16 plus industries. We are the first to introduce UHPRO membranes enabling high recovery rates in India. We recycle 70 million wastewater daily.
We are lucky and privileged to be able to do our bit in our service to the nation by providing support to the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard, where we provide them our reliable seawater reverse osmosis solutions to be able to produce clean drinking water from seawater. We have installations on over 150 craft of theirs, whether it is the first indigenously built aircraft carrier, the jewel in our crown, the mighty INS Vikrant, to the most advanced submarines that we have in the fleet in India, which is the Scorpion submarine.
Hi, I'm Prakhar. I'm from Concord Enviro Systems Limited. The challenge has been to make people believe that technology for recycling exists and exists in a cost-efficient manner. A lot of people still believe that, recycling is very expensive. And, our answer has always been to them two things. One, we'll have to demonstrate our technology. So we actually bring in these systems, small package systems into their facilities. We operate them for them. We show them how good the water quality is once you start recycling. And that's a big game changer, because the moment they are able to see it in front of their eyes, the wastewater that they were generally discarding as not fit for reuse, and here you have it in a glass which is smelling fresh, tasting nice, and they really believe that they can put it back for their process use.
Our purpose is what defines us. We are committed to solve 100% water reuse from any source to reduce water scarcity and support a circular economy. The solutions we provide directly impact 9 out of the 17 United Nations Sustainability Development Goals.
We talk about the future. We talk about what we're going to leave for the next generations and our responsibility. For me, it's a daily question in my mind: what are my children going to ask me in 20 years? Are they going to look at us and say, we had everything, we had the intelligence, we had the resources. Did we not have the intent? Is that why we are faced with this predicament of water today? And the answer I tell myself every day is, I don't want to be in this situation. We are going to make it happen. We are going to make a change, and we are going to ensure that we leave a better future for our next generation.